Hey everyone, it's Sarah and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. This time we are setting up for October. So October is always one of my favorite months to set up because we always get to do something spooky and magical, and those are honestly my favorite themes. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this one. I'm happy to also be back with another voiceover. As you guys can tell, I didn't get to make one in September, but we're back in October. So I hope that makes this video more enjoyable for you guys, so you can just put it on in the background while you're setting up your monthly spreads or doing anything else. So yeah, so this month I am doing a theme that includes a bunch of Halloween decorations. That's kind of the theme that I'm going for. I was going to do a potions theme and I sat down to draw it all out, and no inspiration was coming to me for a cover page or anything. So I was trying to think of another theme to do instead of the potions, which, by the way, I still think is a really cute idea. So that's kind of like an alternate theme idea for you guys. I was gonna do potions that are like pink and purple and kind of more like a cute potion theme, not so much spooky, but more like cute and like kawaii kind of. So yeah, that was what I was gonna do, but I couldn't think of anything to do for the cover page, so I was looking into another theme I could do and happened upon some pictures of like Halloween decor and like kind of like the inside fireplace setup like I'm drawing here. So yeah, that's pretty much what I ended up going with, and I'm really happy with it. I don't know if this is like a common theme or not. I don't think I've seen anyone else do it, but either way, I really like how it turned out. And here I'm just drawing I already drew the fireplace and everything and the decor, and then I'm just coloring it in. I used a lot of black on this theme, a lot more than I usually do, just because I usually go for like either bright colors or like pastel colors, but I mean black is perfect for October, so yeah, we're going with a lot of blackout doodles on this page. And then for accent colors, I'm going with a purple and a yellow, and then of course an orange for the pumpkins. And I didn't use a true orange, I used a peach, just because I kind of like how peach looks better than true orange, and it gives it a little bit of a unique touch, I hope. I'm adding a little bit of texture with the pens. The pens that I'm using are the Tombow dual brush pens. I always use those pretty much every single month. And then I'm also using the Zebra mild liners this month, which in my opinion work just as well as the Tombows. And then I'm also using these pens, which are brand new to me, the Archer and Olive acrylograph pens. And I'm totally unfamiliar with like using paint pens at all, and I think they worked really well. I'm really excited to like learn more about them and keep testing them out, but I had to go over this like I think 3 or 4 times, the October lettering there, and then I was just waiting a few minutes in between each layer. And then for the page to the left of my cover page, this is a quote page. Even though the quote is like way up at the top, I kind of covered the whole page with this drawing of a front porch. So it is a doorway, and then it has a bunch of Halloween decorations all around it. This is definitely like the most straight lines in a theme I feel like I've ever done. I use my ruler so often on these pages. And then the quote that I'm lettering here at the top says, "All of the dust and cobwebs in my house just became decor. Thanks, Halloween." I saw that on Pinterest, of course. It seems like a very Pinteresty kind of quote, and I thought it just fit well with my theme because it's also a very true quote. And then I'm just filling in this page with Tombos again. So those are my first 2 pages, and then we're moving on to my next spread. So on the left here, I'm doing a dashboard spread, and I did one for the first time last month, and I really loved it, and it was really useful to be able to plan out all the content that I'm going to be making throughout the month, especially because September was super busy and crazy for me with the shop update, which transitions really nicely into a small plug. I'm going to be releasing a brand new sticker collection on my website. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to learn about it. It's going to be coming out this Sunday, September 27th, and I'm really excited. It has all the spooky vibes, all the witchy vibes, and I think you guys are, if you like this theme, I think you're really going to like the stickers. So I'm definitely going to be using them all month because I've fallen in love with using stickers, especially on my weekly pages. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I've started doing this new-ish lettering style. It's new to me, it's not new in general, but it was really difficult for me to figure out how to do the shading on these for a while, but I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. I did a bunch of practice in my journal in September on pretty much all my weekly spreads, so I think I'm getting a little bit better at it. And lastly, we have my mood tracker for October. So this one, I had this idea back when I was thinking about doing the potions theme, and I couldn't think of a better mood tracker to do with the new theme. So I just did basically a potion bottle that takes up the whole spread, and I divided that into little sections where my mood will go for each day. And I really actually like how this one turned out. I think it's kind of unique and cute, and I'm really excited to see how it looks when color is added as well. And here I'm just adding more spaces because there wasn't 31, so I had to add in a lot more spaces for days so I can fill out my mood for every day in October. And that's my entire setup, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do that too. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!